Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Arturo. I'm with Next Gear Academy. Um, so I was asked a while ago, so why do cars smell like rotten eggs at times? And there's a few different reasons why it could be, but these are the main causes, all right? So fuel isn't burning properly, causing converters to overheat, causes hydrogen sulfide gas. That's like the complicated version, right? That it's like, okay, cool, great. The main cause is engine is misfiring. So if your engine is misfiring, it's not burning fuel properly. Okay, if it's misfiring, it's for a few reasons. Either the spark plugs aren't sparking correctly. Okay, there's probably, I mean, it could be multiple reasons. Your ignition coil isn't. You have a dead cylinder. Your fuel injector is clogged. In order for your vehicle to fire correctly, you need gas, spark, and air all at the same time to cause the proper combustion. That's what makes your engine run. Okay, so if that's not happening, it's pouring raw fuel into your converter, um, and then it's burning it there, which can cause your catalytic converter to overheat, which causes it to go bad. Okay, it's kind of a domino effect. Misfire, if you don't take care of it, no matter what it is, for whatever reason it's misfiring, if it's not taken care of, the domino effect is a bad catalytic converter. Okay, so if your vehicle is misfire is sorry, if your vehicle is firing correctly and that's not the problem, there you don't have a running problem, a drivability issue, then the next cause is the could be a bad converter, even a bad O2 sensor. So one of these two items would be it. Typically, it would throw a code for that. P0420 is a bad converter. P0430 is also a bad converter. Those are what's called a hard code. So there's no other things that it could be. It's a hard code. Oxygen sensors have their own codes. When they're oxygen sensors, it could be the connection. It could be a couple things. The oxygen sensor itself could be bad. When it's a converter, it's typically 99% of the time just a bad converter. Now, I've heard of things that you can do to try to save the converter. I've never been successful in doing so, but yeah. So if you ever smell like raw eggs, these are one of the leading causes to it. You want to get it fixed, you want to get it checked, because no matter what you don't want it to be is that right there, because that's expensive. If it's just a misfire and it's spark plugs, boom, get it done, get it fixed, you're all solid. Even though two sensors aren't that bad, but this one right here, that's expensive. So don't let it get to that point. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.